Hey guys, so this division strategies worksheet actually has lots of correct answers to each of the problems. And at the very bottom of the worksheet, you will see the little popcorn kernels there that you can use as manipulatives, so tools to help you take the whole amount and break it up into equal groups. So I didn't want to sit and cut all the popcorn. So at home, I actually have some Unifix cubes like we have in class that I'm using to work with Cooper. So I thought I would use these to help you and give you a model of what you could have done for how to solve this and what your answers may have been, because there are more than one correct answer for each of these numbers. So the number 12, I know that this is a 10 rod, so I'm going to grab myself two more to make 12. So I need to decide number you put into each group. So maybe I want to put 3 in each group, right? See if that works. So I'm going to take my 3. I'm going to move my camera down so you guys can see my work. So I have 3, and I have 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups, 4 groups. So if I put 3 in each group, I would have 4 groups. So on that number 12 here, number put in each group, I would write a 3, and I'm going to do my best handwriting here with my mouse. And how many groups did I make? 1, 2, 3, 4. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw this model, or you would draw this model here. You would draw the 3 groups, and then you would put the 4 in each group. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take your whole amount, 12, and you're going to say 12, and you're going to divide it, by 3. And when you divide it, which means put it into 3 equal groups, you're going to get 4. Okay, so that is one strategy for solving this. You could cut those little popcorn pieces up and then manipulate them and move them around until you have equal groups of that number. So I'll review with you the number 15 as well. So I know this is already, build back my number. This is 10. And then I'm going to have 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I'm going to put it into 5 groups. So I need to start sharing that out. So I'm going to just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then just keep building upon that until I've used all 15 of my manipulatives, because my whole amount that I am dividing by is 15. And there's that. So I've used them all, and they all have the same amount, which means I did it correctly. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups. And in those 5 groups, there are 3 in each. Okay, so then I would record that here. Number you put in each group, I put 3 in each group. Number of groups, 5. And then you would draw it, and then you would take your whole amount, 15. I'm doing my best, and divide it by how many groups? The 3 groups. And that equals, or no, my 5 groups. I made a mistake. Oops, I'll erase. Not a big deal. And then you're just going to go divided by. I divided it into 5 groups. I could say divided by 5 groups is equal to my 3. All right, and that's it. So you would have continued that strategy all the way through the worksheet. That's why they give you the little popcorn manipulatives down there at the bottom. So if you have a pair of scissors at home, you could have cut it up and then moved them around on your table like I did with my Unifix cubes, so that you can get a visual amount. So don't forget, you always start with your whole number. So your next one, you're going to start with 8. And then you want to take the 8 popcorn pieces and you want to put it into equal groups, and then you're going to record it. And if you want to have some fun, maybe pop some real popcorn into it. And then when you're all done, you can eat it. All right, I'll talk to you later.